The new LEGO Inside Out 2 Mood Cubes. Set number 43248. This new LEGO Inside Out 2 Mood Cube set has 394 pieces. Another fun and cool build for young kids, Inside Out 2 fans aged 9+. Based on Disney and Pixar's Inside Out 2. Inside Out 2 is the sequel to the critically acclaimed Pixar movie about the emotions inside Riley. As she grows and learns to deal the whole spectrum of emotions such as joy, sadness, disgust, anger, and fear. This new LEGO features 2 buildable cubes. Each with a space for little treasures. Are also included in this LEGO set. Also LEGO Disney Mini Dolls Joy and Anxiety. Plus Foreman and Margie Mind Worker figures with hars. Buildable cubes measure over 3 inches high, 6 inches wide, and 3.5 inches deep.